Okay, let's talk about common contractions. بیاین در مورد contraction ها یا مخففات عامی که همراه با فعال بودن وجود داره صحبت کنیم. First, contractions with the subject. اول contraction ها یا مخففات همراه با subject یا فاعل جمله هست. For example, if you have I am, the short form will be I'm. I am, I'm. He is, his. She is, she's. It is, its. We are, we're. You are, you're. They are, they're. خب اینا contraction هایی بود همراه با subject. I'm, his, she's, its, we're, you're, their. خب contraction های بعدی، مخففات بعدی همراه با not. am not. همراه با am not مخفف نداریم. is not, isn't, are not, aren't. Note in یادداشت یادتان باشد don't use contraction in affirmative short answers. در جوابات کوتاه هیچ وقت از مخففات استفاده نکنید. ما در سوالات yes no ما جواب کوتاه میدیم، جوابات کوتاه مثبت یا منفی. در جواب مثبتش هیچ وقت contraction استفاده نمیشه. Is he your brother? Yes he is. یعنی he is شکل کامل استفاده میشه. اگر بگیم yes he is درست نیست. Are they at home? Yes they are. اینجا اگر بگیم که yes they're یعنی اشتباه است. اما در جواب منفی اگر بگیم که no they aren't یا no he isn't این درست است. در جوابات منفی میتونیم مخفف استفاده کنیم. در جواب مثبت کوتاه ما اجازه استفاده کردن از مخفف را نداریم. And let's talk about the uses of to be verbs. حالا بیایم در مورد استفاده های افعال بودن صحبت کنیم. در مورد استفاده ها the first use we use to be verbs to introduce someone or something. اگر بخوایم یک چیزی یا یک شخصی را معرفی کنیم میتونیم از افعال بودن استفاده کنیم. Examples: I'm Adam, this is Sarah, he is my brother, they are our cousins, this is our teacher. In all these 5 examples, we are introducing people. ما اشخاص داریم معرفی میکنیم. And then the second use of the verb is this to talk about ages. If you talk about age, in that case, we can use to be verbs. I am 18. She is 12. He is 40. They are 7. My mother is 55. In all of these, we are using to be verbs to talk about age. For example, how old are you? I'm 20 years old. And the third use of to be verbs is this to talk about jobs. For example, I'm a teacher. She is a nurse. He is a pilot. They are students. My aunt is a chef. In here, a teacher, a nurse, a pilot, students, a chef, these are words for job. Okay. And the next use of to be verbs is this to talk about nationalities. Okay, like this. I'm Egyptian. من مصری هستم. She is Spanish. او اسپانیایی هست. He is from Italy. او اهل ایتالیا است. They are Japanese. آنها ژاپنی هستند. We are from Kenya. ما اهل کنیا هستیم. اگر بخوایم در مورد ملیت ها گپ بزنیم یا یک ما از کجا می آییم میتونیم از افعال بودن استفاده کنیم. And then to talk about color میتونیم از افعال بودن استفاده کنیم و در مورد رنگ ها صحبت کنیم. The dog is brown. My car is black. Her eyes are blue. The leaves are green. The wall is white. All the words brown, black, blue, green, white are words for color. Okay, and the next use we have to be verbs to talk about prices. میتونیم در مورد قیمت ها صحبت کنیم. خب در مورد قیمت ها صحبت کنیم. Let's look at examples. It is $5. The pen is 2 euros. This shirt is $20. The apples are $2 per kilo. The phone is $100. As you see, in here we are talking about prices. how much is this phone? It is $700. On $700 كلمات دولار. It is $700. Okay. And then to talk about time. When we talk about time, we can use to be verbs. For example, if someone asks, what time is it? We can say it is 3 o'clock. It is 5:30. It is 5:45. It is noon, or it is midnight. Okay. In that case, when we talk about time, we can use to be verbs. And then to talk about the weather, we can use to be verbs to talk about the weather. Check the examples. It is sunny, obvious. It is cold, سرد. It's rainy، بارانی هست. It is windy، طوفانی هست یا باد هست. It's hot today، امروز هوا گرم است یا داغ است. طور که می‌بینید زمانی که ما در مورد آب و هوا گپ بزنیم میتونیم از افعال بودن استفاده کنیم. برای مثال سوال میشه What is the weather like today? It is sunny in Kabul today. امروز هوا در کابل آفتابی است. And the next one, we can use to be verbs to talk about feelings. We can talk about our feelings using to be verbs. Examples: I'm happy. She is tired. He is scared. They are excited. We are sad. Okay, guys. These were the uses of to be verbs. Okay, this was it, guys, for today and about to be verbs. Please follow for more, and we will come with new videos on other grammatical topics in the future. Thank you.